Hi everybody, Big Poppa here. We're gonna cook these fillets today, and we're gonna cook them on the BPS drum. We're gonna cook them what's called reverse sear. There was a study done about different ways of cooking big cuts of meat. And what they did is they weighed the meat and they cooked it 3 different ways. One was in the oven at 325, where they weighed it going in and when it came out. One was where they seared it first and then slowly roasted it. And then the other one they did was reverse sear, which is what we're doing now. They cooked it at a slow temperature. They got it about 80% done, and then they seared it. And that one had the most weight when they pulled it off the cooker. More weight means more moisture, which means juicier. So we're gonna take these steaks. It'll be very, very simple. We're gonna take Big Poppa's Little Louie, and we're just gonna eat a little bit of Little Louie's. And what Little Louie's is it's a seasoned garlic pepper. Think of a seasoning salt, and then think of adding black pepper, and then think of bumping the garlic. That gives it just lots of flavor. And use it like a salt and on a rub because it's got a higher salt content. Then we're gonna come back with Big Poppa's Double Secret, which is a blend of peppers and citrus and sea salt. So we're going on top with that. Big Poppa Smoker's Double Secret and Little Louie's, that combination, has won quite a few national steak cook-offs. So what we're gonna do with these is we're gonna put them in a little half pan and we're gonna let them kind of sweat. We're gonna let the juices of the meat interact with the natural ingredients along with the sea salt and create a nice shine. And when it's shiny like that, we're gonna be ready to cook them. Okay, we seasoned these fillets and now we're gonna reverse sear them. So we're gonna take this drum that's set to 275 degrees. We're gonna come around the perimeter. We've got the fire basket on low. And then just for giggles, I'm gonna put a chef alarm on it. It's a little wired thermometer. I got it set for 128. We'll go right in the center here. We're gonna flip them in about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, we're right where we wanna be with these. And I'm gonna pull them out. And I'm just gonna rest them a little bit before I sear them. Okay, I think the coals are hot here. Let's get some sear on these things. See, this is a get in my belly moment. I hear that start to snap, crackle, and pop. Now we're going to turn it over. Oh, look at those. Hello. Here's Double Secret butter. Watch this. Does anybody besides me think that looks good? Okay, they're done. Let's go inside. Okay, we've cooked the steaks, reverse seared the fillets on the Big Poppa drum. We've let them rest for about 5 minutes. It's always good to let the meat rest. Kind of settles down, the muscle kind of relaxes, and it starts to absorb the juice. Oh yeah, here we go. And there you have Big Poppa's reverse seared filet.